the job done. Gotta get the job done. No big quarters. No big quarters. Still right here.
Settle in. Play.
Drop off to Brook Lopez to the rim for a two-hand pack.
Hey, look, boy. Eyes on the back of your head back here, son. Eyes back here. Son. Get up the floor. Keep pushing the pace on these guys, okay? And D.A., what I was telling you, when you roll, they got nothing for that, okay?
Kane over on the angle left side to DeAndre Ayton. Kick the ball to the rim. Score it.
Good stuff on offense. A lot of good looks. Keep playing.
Comes Holiday. Giannis to his left. Bogdanovic back. Giannis all the way.
Make our run right here.
Pass inside to Beverly. Back up top to Jackson. Reggie Jackson puts it in.
Let's get a stop right here. Let's go, man. Get a stop.
Capella off the double. The stop by Lopez. Stop by Giannis.
Keep that pressure up. All right, keep the pressure up. That's a good job.
Young to the open man. Bogdanovic. Yes.
Hey, let's stop at it right now. Get a stop now. Get a stop now. Get a stop now. Come on.
Jackson gets into the lane, gets in underneath, shots blocked by DeAndre Ayton, and he grabs it underneath before it could go out of bounds.
Hey, we go. We just take a shot.
Middleton driving on Gallinari to the rim. Floater good for Chris Middleton.
Got to dig deep here, guys. That's what it is right now. Got to dig deep. Think about what we talked about this morning, all right? Be solid here. Let's go.
Payne on the drive. Off the glass. It's good. Cameron Payne is balling tonight.